Okay, we'll see if this works. It may not, because I don't think I can do the... What's happening is that you've got a 3D scan, a Kinect camera, and those are the white lines of the body. Uh, and it's controlling essentially the movement of both the infrared image, which is the white lines, and the icons of the cars. And there's also, as you can see in the background, there's a streaming text, which you can also control that with a mouse click. But this is an example of postBrowser. All the information is coming over the internet, but it's not laid out in a page format. It's laid out in a 3D format. There's the text. It's a different way of looking at data. There's my body, as you can see. Right? But it's in 3D infrared point clouds. Okay. This is live XML data from weather, from Yahoo Weather, a metro map, and there's an RSS feed that's coming in from an art blog, Hyperallergic, that's being read by synthetic voices. So you can see that, and you can also do this metro map as a kind of a walk-in. And obviously it's got some texture to it. It's not strictly a an information piece, but it's supposed to use these elements like in a montage type uh, presentation with the sense of being immersed in data. Okay, then this is icons from the New York Times, from the front page of the New York Times, and it's a live RSS feed, so these are updated whenever they change the images. So this is actually taking the information you would have gotten in a browser, but instead laying it out in a different format. Still to be done is to essentially be able to click each one of the images to enlarge them full scale. Here you have 3D space, infrared 3D space, and then you can see that uh, there's my body there. And as I move into these areas, in the virtual space, what happens is that I can trigger, by putting my hands in these cubes, becomes various types of, for instance, you can switch things off and on, or manipulate icons, or that sort of a thing. So this is another potential for the interface. You see there's my head going into a box there.